Yeah, things that I tell me something to do, I pack up my bag and left.
What you say?
I pack up my bag and left.
Yeah, for my left.
Yeah, I pack up my bag and left, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, I'm going.
No, I not tell you where I go. Why am I tell you where I go? Oh, that makes sense.
Nah, I'm going nowhere.
Me I pack up my...
Unless you find a rich man with a big house and him not go with you. So, you're not going to make sense.
Me I pack up my bag, you know. You better turn back.
Yeah, man. Pack up your bag and wash them. Carry them going to the laundry place at the front of the house and wash them.
What am I for wash?
No, you see I pack up bag, so I'm also going to wash.
Me I pack up my clothes in my bag and me I left. Cause
you're not a bag for pack.
me not like that treatment here. What you say?
You're not a bag for pack so much clothes.
I have garbage bag.
Yeah, man.
So you not come back?
Yeah,
you're not
work.
Say I just want to pack up my bag and go on?
You're not going away. Not work.
What do you mean by me not going away?
You're not going away, Mr.
Me I pack up my bag at this minute talking to you on the phone. They say your last chance. They say your last chance to come back and make sure say me not go away, me not run away, because me I leave.
Yeah, man. Run away, good. It's fine.
Oh, you gonna find me?
Yeah, me have GPS for you.
What?
Yeah.
You think I joke me making now?
You think I joke me making?
I pack up all of my closet, you know. I pack up my closet already. And I pack up my boot them right now as we speak.
Yeah, in the closet.
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
Remember, you know? You never try to stop me and me now come back neither.
Alright.
People may call back again.
Hello?
Which part you reach?
Just cross the border.
After this, it done, no? It done.
Yeah, man. No, it's a begin again.
It done, because you did have a chance to come save your relationship.
We're going to begin again.
What you think I joke making now? I don't know, no. I that with you.
You don't make joke, you get joke.
I that with you now, you know, because you always feel like some I run joke. All because I love talk.
Now when I run it, go they walk.
Me I carry some of my clothes them to you. All I clothes them when me buy gear, me I pack them up too.
If I ever get a new one, look closer.
No, me I sell them.
Alright, yeah, I need them on the future.
Me I sell them. When you come,
I need the one. I need one of it.
I might take out the furniture them. So when you come here, the place at Echo. Remember, say you did have a chance, you never care. You never care to come back, to come make sure, say.
Can't say you never get a start out and make one with the furniture then.
Father God.
Go on with it.
A joke thing you depend. A joke thing you depend.
No, my G. You always have to support, you know. You say you want to live with the furniture and the fools them go on.
So you stay up on the ground?
Go make life.
I mean, I take up your safe and you go your money them and your thing them, you know.
Yeah, man, go on, man. You can't say it again, no.
So what does it tell me for go on, so? Oh, you're not telling me something, no?
So you want to tell me come, and you let the summer good.
You're supposed to say don't go on. You're supposed to say don't go on.
No. You have to want to stay. You say you want to left. You have to want to stay. You're not supposed to beg you to stay.
You're supposed to find out. You're supposed to find out why I want left, why I want my mental health, and why bother me, why I want to leave.
You need a doctor then.
So yeah, what?
Your husband. You need a doctor.
But you're supposed to know what I go on too.
Provide and make sure you're comfortable and alright. anything else you need, Jesus have got help. Yeah, help. Jesus have got help you with that. Jesus is the doctor.
That not sound right.
Yeah, that me I tell you, you not sound right. So that's why Jesus is the doctor have help you. You not sound right. You just get up and want to leave and take my furniture, take my clothes, take my safe money, everything. So something right with you.
Alright. I tried. You can't say I'm wicked enough because I tell you so I go left. You never make no effort.
No, you don't. No, you're a nice girl. You're a good woman. Anybody get you right now, God bless you.
What is supposed to mean?
Yeah? Because you're a good girl, I'm my last.
So why you not try to stop me before it be your last?
No, I'm not supposed to force somebody if you want to be with me. If you want to be with me.
Yeah, but you know, move right and I say I forgot my things on my left because
And if you not move right, then you don't want.
yo.
I can't move the right arm.
I treat it snow, you know. I can't go walk with the back then because snow will still
You
have
have a new car left. Look what I said. Look what your boss say. Yeah? You have a new car. You don't walk with them. Show me a chunk.
Yo, come on my phone. Guys, that was a epic fail. We failed, alright? Didn't work out.